So today in this video we will discuss what is the difference between class and ID selector in CSS. So both class and ID are used to select and style HTML element in CSS, but they have different purpose, syntax and priority. So here we have the syntax different table for class and ID selector. So first of all we will discuss with class. So class always used with dot class name and ID always used with h and then ID name. So here you can see that we have a class title which we are targeting by dot and then title, and we are defining some property, as well as we are using ID by using has and then ID name which is main, and we are defining some property. And here we have a table for use cases for class and ID. So class is used for multiple element and ID is used for unique single element, and class is always reusable and ID is a single time usable. And priority wise, class has lower priority and ID has higher priority. And you can see that in this example we have an element using a class named box, and we have another element by ID header. So here we have an example. So in this example, first and second div have a simple class card, and third div have a ID which name is main. And here we are targeting class card by using dot and card, and we are defining some styling to it, and we are targeting ID by using has and then main, and here we are specifying our styling. So that's how class and ID used in a particular HTML document. So in the explanation we can see that dot card styles multiple divs as well as main style a unique div only once. So here we have our priority level. So first one is ID selector has higher priority than a class selector if both are applied to the same element. ID style with override class style. So ID always have higher priority. So here we have some cross question for this particular concept. So first one is, can we use both class and ID on the same element? So yes, we can use. So in this example you can see that this element has ID main and class container. So that's how ID and class used at the same time on a single element. So now we have our second question, which is what happen if we use the same ID on multiple elements. So answer is invalid. So answer is it's invalid. IDs must be unique. Using the same ID multiple times can lead to unexpected behavior in CSS and JavaScript. So that's how we can work with ID and class. If you want to download this entire PDF, then leave a PDF in the comment section. So if you like this type of conceptual question, then hit the subscribe button for more. Thanks.